breakfast. You don't need to dip these in chocolate or have them. They are damn good on its own. It's actually amazing how sweet these are. Unlike anything that you would get in the city. So it's all about bucket list side. So I'm going to do yet another thing that I've always wanted to do but couldn't. Maharashtra is really famous for its forts. There is always a trek associated with these forts. It's going to be very hard to get to these to reach the actual summit, but the view is pretty much guaranteed to be mind-blowing. So yeah. So I've just got my first glimpse of Rajgarh Fort. It's over there. Can you see a small hall over there? That's where I'm headed. So it's been 20 minutes since I started the climb. Started off pretty easily, but then it got steep, like really steep. And just a word of caution, you probably don't want to come here when you're all alone. This place is pretty isolated and secluded, even for my standards. So be careful. Make sure you're coming here with someone or when it's tourist season or something. That way you don't run into any trouble of any sort. And it gets really steep towards the end. Like we are entering Rajgarh Fort through the rear entrance. No pun intended. But we are actually entering the fort via the rear entrance. So it's supposed to be steep. In any case, I'll see you guys in a bit. So, a quick update. I fashioned a hiking pole with my tripod. So this is basically a monopod right now, and I'm using it as a tripod because I need the extra support since I'm hauling all this weight. My entire camera gear is in this bag, so I need the help of something else to keep me going forward. Taking a small break. The climb just got even steeper. How do I find myself in these kind of situations? It's just me. There's no one around. But here's the thing though. If you want those crazy shots and crazy experiences, you gotta be willing to do crazy things. You just gotta. Upwards and onwards, I guess. Persevere, my friend. Persevere the out. I'm almost at the top, but it's getting steeper and steeper. Like right now, I had to do some mountain climbing, like rock climbing, proper rock climbing, with a bag that weighs 30 plus kilos. I'm sure the view on top will make every bit of hardship that I'm going through right now worth it. I mean, just check out the current view that I have. It's peaceful. It's beautiful. Just check that out. Now that is a proper view. It's around 4 p.m. right now, and it's gonna get dark pretty soon. It's got a little bit more to go actually, but like I said, it's pretty darn steep. I probably should have started the trek around 8 a.m. in the morning instead of 1 p.m. in the afternoon. It's getting steeper and steeper, and It's gonna get dark pretty soon. Let's see. This wouldn't have been such a problem if I didn't have the camera backpack with me. I'm completely winded, out of energy. I reached some kind of entrance into the actual fort, where there are more steps, stone laid steps, only they are not steps, they are like huge boulders which you have to crawl on top of. Okay, let's do this. I'm almost at the top. I'm very tired. I'm really starving. I haven't had anything to eat. I brought along 3 protein bars and some water. I brought 1 liter of water, which is about 60% empty, so I have 0.4 liters left. But check out my view. There's a valley on one side and the mountain on the other. I didn't think I could do this actually, but so far so good. Nothing has happened so far, so I guess all the training that I've been doing, I think that worked out. My health is better. I'm able to do treks that I otherwise wouldn't have been able to. I'm super proud of myself. Just gotta push yourself and keep pushing yourself. At some point, that barrier which you thought you couldn't cross, you'll cross it. In fact, you'll shatter the barrier. You sure as hell can do it. The only thing keeping you from your goal is you. If you want it bad enough, go for it. Keep pushing yourself. You'll eventually shatter the barrier, and the sun will shine on your dreams one day for sure. And I'm at the top. I did it. I'm standing on top of Rajgarh Fort. Check this out. view. The fog is just about coming in. Actually, that's not fog, it's clouds. Just look at this view. What a time to be alive. This is today's trek. I went to Rajgarh. Took me roughly 4 hours with a backpack that weighs 30 kilos. And I'm currently on my way down. It's dark, and as usual, there's no one here. It's gonna take me another 2 hours through dense forest to reach my car. I'll see you when I see you. Oh my god. I'll see you when I see you. Bye. If you liked what you saw and want to see more, subscribe to the channel guys.